Hi, I'm Daniel, and today we are on a cruise. In fact, on the Movers and Shakers cruise. So enjoy.
Sail away with me, honey. Put my heart in your hand. Sail away with me, honey. Now. Sail away with me. What will be, will be. I wanna